Oh gosh, them not go can see this. But this is a Shea Moisture hair oil. Just spray it on my scalp. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually my first time washing my hair after getting a relaxer, and obviously I am doing it by myself. I can tell you that having my hair relaxed is just a new feeling. My hair was relaxed before, as many of you know, and then I had transitioned to natural hair, and after 5 years I've relaxed again. So this is my first time washing my hair after having relaxed it over a week ago, and the brand that I use is Emotions brand, from the relaxer to the setting lotion to the shampoo and conditioner. Everything that I use is the Motions brand for now. I think I need to buy a few more stuff that I see that I'd like to use in my hair and that I used to use in my hair when I was first relaxed. So here you can see I'm gathering my hair into a lather, gently washing my hair underneath the shower. And for persons who don't really understand how to take care of perm hair, I want you to know that washing your hair at home, it's best to wash it while standing underneath the shower, where you have your hair back, where it's harder for you to get it ragged and it's easier to detangle. As you can see, all my hair is flowing backwards, just as it was when it was dried, and it is very much easier for when you are ready to detangle it. You will have less knots, you will have less breakage, and you can maintain your length. And guys, just like when I had my natural hair, I was on a hair journey to tailbone length. I intend to go on continue this hair journey with my relaxed hair. So I'm just gonna add some conditioner into my hair, comb it out just for a little bit. I'm not gonna comb it a lot because I want to eliminate breakage. As I said before, when I am going to set it, I will take it by section by section, and comb that little section out. Yeah, so that's what you should do. Limit the amount of combing you do to your permed or relaxed hair. And now it's time for setting my hair, and I'm just gonna use this Motions setting leave-in conditioning spray and use it to set my hair up. And guys, I tried using bobby pins to set my hair and it was a struggle. Just keep watching. So basically, using the bobby pins, it's my first time using the bobby pins, because I know that using the bobby pins will allow my hair to dry a lot quicker without putting the original other part of the roller set to keep the hair in place. The bobby pins will let my hair dry much easier, but it's my first time using this, and it seems very seamless, but I was actually struggling with this. So what I basically continued to do for the back of my hair was use the roller set, entire roller set to do the back without the bobby pins, because yeah, I can tell you guys though that when you use the bobby pins to set your hair, it allows for your hair to dry very easily than if you put the fastener attachment over the setters. It makes it dry very easily, relatively easy, especially if your hair is tall like mine, or even longer. You want your hair to be dried as quickly as possible without with less heat. And so I opted to try the bobby pins, but trust me, it was taking a time. I know that when I get used to it, it will become a lot less timing. It will have a less timing and become more easier. But for now, I was frustrated after a while, and I started putting on the original roller fasteners over the roller sets for the back section. But yes, if you were somebody like me who have gone natural and really decide that I'm gonna go back to relaxer, you can comment down below and let me know, and leave a comment as well on this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave your suggestions, like and share with a friend. So another trick that I have learned as well, guys, my head is fully set now, yeah. And what I've learned, because of my previous relaxer, and I used to hate being under the cap dryer. I just hate being under the heat. So what I do this trip from the get-go, I allow my hair for air dry for a good 3-4 hours. So I went and do other stuff during the day, on my chores and stuff like that. And then in the afternoon, I just sit under the dryer for like 15 minutes to make sure that all the water was properly dried out, and that would reduce my time being under the heat, which I hate. So that is my trick. You can try that on your hair as well. And now I have a fully dried head and the curls are popping, and I like that. So you can try this trick. If you don't like to sit under the dryer like me, go ahead, allow your hair to air dry for a good period of time, and then you can sit under the dryer for 15 minutes to get it totally dried, and you're good. So this is my go-to now for the rest of the time that I am relaxed. Okay, yeah. So you want to come on this hair journey with me, you can, but you don't have to do what I do. I'm doing this for me. Oh yeah, I find a better remedy. First, when we hear the cream the last time, we used to hate some on the dryer. But now, I know what to do. I just wash it like it air dry for a long time. First, you have to make it air dry, and then when it air dry now, it's gonna be for like 15 minutes. Get what I'm saying? It's gonna be here for like 15 minutes. Oh gosh, they're not gonna see this. But this is a Shea Moisture hair oil. Just put it on my scalp. So guys, basically I had this oil from my natural hair and decided I'm gonna continue using it in my hair until it's finished. So now guys, I'm gonna use my Motions hair lotion now. Hair moisturizer, just to add some moisture to my hair. Not too much that will have it heavy down, and but enough moisture. And basically I will wrap my hair with my mesh wrap. Before I do that, you just apply some Oil Sheen Motions brand again. This Oil Sheen, I loved it when my hair was previously relaxed some years ago, so I decided to get the same brand again. and it's working wonders. So yeah, proceed to wrap my hair, get it all laid and wrapped. And again, if you really want to grow your hair, your relaxed hair, you're gonna have to get in the habit of wrapping your hair when you are, say, in the house or at home or gonna go to sleep. Wrapping your hair, keeping it together is very important. It will eliminate breakage, it will keep in your moisture in your hair. Yeah, so this is very important for you to do. So once I wrap my hair now, my hair stays wrapped until I am gonna say go on the road, go somewhere or so, or I want to put my hair in a different hairstyle, like maybe a bun or in a ponytail. Yeah, so this is actually it. My first time washing my hair after getting a relaxer after 5 years. And it wasn't much different from what I used to do, except that I've found out that I don't have to sit under the dryer for so long. I can air dry then sit on the dryer for 15 minutes and get it done. So basically, I'm going to comb this out now and see the look it has for now. And then afterwards, I'm basically going to do the same thing again. Wrap it up back if I'm not going anywhere. And have my hair secured. Locking in the moisture, preventing it from getting tangled up. And yeah, this is my first washed hair after a relaxer. So thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in more videos.